Welcome to Drawlipa channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change screen flash notification color in your Android phone. So at first just swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. Now from here scroll all the way down. After that go to accessibility and then go to advanced settings. From here go to flash notification. And that's it. Here you can see screen flash notification. So you have to just enable this option from here and then tap on preview, and that's it. You can see it's enabled successfully. Now if you want to change your screen flash notification color, just tap on color option, and that's it. From here you can choose any flash color as you like, and you can choose any screen flash color as you like. If I select it and then tap on done, and it's done, and then tap on preview again, and that's it. You can see your screen flash notification color has been changed successfully, and that is how you can change screen flash notification color in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.